Hey everyone, this is Sam the Chehrazi and I hope you're doing just great. So let's solve the next level of Bandit challenges. Let me get back to my code Linux. In the previous video, we solved Bandit level 5 to level 6, and now we're going to go to the next level. Okay, let's see what we have here. It says the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties. Again, we're looking for a specific file with specific properties. It's owned by the user Bandit 7, it's owned by group Bandit 6, and it has 33 bytes in size. So let me open up my terminal window. Let me zoom it. We can again use SSH, giving it the username followed by the address, which would be bandit.labs.over the buyer -b to specify the port number, and hit enter on that. Okay, let me get a password that we got from the previous level and use it to log into the server. Alright, again, let's use the ls command. And it shows us nothing. We're looking for let me get back to the website. It says the password for next level is stored somewhere on the server and it has all the following properties. So we're looking for a file that is owned by Bandit 7, user Bandit 7. It's owned by group Bandit 6, and it has 33 bytes in size. So again, we can use find command to search for this file, and it's on the server. It's not a specific directory. So we're gonna say search all the directories, search the entire drive. It's similar to the C column drive in Windows. The slash here, it means search the root, search the entire drive, and then we're gonna use dash size to give it the specific size, 33 bytes, dash type to say we're looking for files to exclude the directories, and dash user to search for a specific user, Bandit 6 I guess it was, and dash group, it was Bandit 7. Let's see if we got these correct. The group is Bandit 6, the user is Bandit 7. So Bandit 6, the user is Bandit 7. So let's see if we find the file. So we can filter out all these permission denied errors by sending these errors to the null device. The null device is a special device in Linux. It destroys all data that we sent it. And if I hit enter again, and we find the password, it's under the variable, the varlib, dpkg info, and bandit7 the password file. So let me copy this path, use cat to read its content, and we get a password for the next level. So you can see that find command is really cool. We can use it for searching for different kind of files and directories, using its different switches that help us to look for a specific target, and it's really cool. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I hope to see you in the next video.